Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Mediterranean bites and sips. So, let's get started. First up, we have the Mediterranean bites. These tasty treats are a perfect combination of flavors and textures, sure to satisfy your taste buds. Our Mediterranean bites include 1. A refreshing and flavorful watermelon mint lemonade, perfect for a hot summer day. 2. A delightful chicken shawarma, packed with flavor and protein. 3. A delicious and crunchy cauliflower couscous, a healthier alternative to traditional couscous. 4. A mouth-watering falafel, a classic Mediterranean dish. 5. A tasty and crunchy cucumber salad, a refreshing side dish. 6. A scrumptious hummus, a must-have in any Mediterranean meal. 7. A flavorful and crunchy cauliflower tabbouleh, a healthier take on the traditional dish. 8. A delightful and refreshing mint lemonade, perfect for a hot day. Now, let's move on to the sips. These Mediterranean drinks are perfect for a hot day or a relaxing evening. Our sips include 1. A refreshing and flavorful watermelon mint lemonade, perfect for a hot summer day. 2. A delightful and fruity mint lemonade, a perfect summer drink. 3. A refreshing and flavorful watermelon mint lemonade, perfect for a hot summer day. 4. A delightful and fruity mint lemonade, a perfect summer drink. 5. A refreshing and flavorful watermelon mint lemonade, perfect for a hot summer day. 6. A delightful and fruity mint lemonade, a perfect summer drink. 7. A refreshing and flavorful watermelon mint lemonade, perfect for a hot summer day. 8. A delightful and fruity mint lemonade, a perfect summer drink. And there you have it, folks. Our Mediterranean bites and sips are perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a party or just want to treat yourself to a delicious meal. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food inspiration. Until next time, happy eating!